Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, Delisamaee, and a happy new year to you, and for the ones in the back. I'm excited for this new year, but there's so much to celebrate from 2024, and you guys are a huge part of that. So I want to take a moment of silence, and say thank you to every single one of you who have subscribed this past year, who shared a video, who's viewed a video, left a little bit of love down in the comments. I truly wouldn't be here without all of you, so thank you so much. I thought that why not start off the year with a brand new video for all of you guys, just to show you guys the intention for 2025. I want to get more on a routine schedule. I know I feel like I've been all over the place, but that will just take time, balance, patience. And so with this new year, we are setting goals high. We are posting videos. We're going to be interacting with the community a lot more. So please stay tuned for all of that to come for the new year. So for today's video, I thought it would be fun to create and do a couple of swatches of this Iridescent Modelones gel polish, okay? Modelones and I go way back, okay? I use Modelones for all of my polishes, for all my clients. You'll see if I show you, a lot of my polishes is literally just this brand, and I use it. I love it. I feel like the consistency is amazing. So for today's video, we are diving into 6 Iridescent Modelones gel polishes, okay? I'm pumped. This is something that I asked for Christmas, and my lovely mother, thank you, Mom. Love you, Mom. Hi, Mom. Bought this for me. And then we also have another video coming up soon where we will be diving into some color changing. So we're just gonna dive right in. I'm pumped, I'm excited. Happy New Year. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, don't worry, you will be by the end of this video. And without further ado, let's dive in. All right, so let's go ahead and open up our Iridescent Modelones gel polish. So I'm just opening up the package, checking to see what we've got inside, and I'm already loving all of the colors so far. We've got a little manual or pamphlet just going over how to prep the nails so that the polish stays on as long as possible. So now that we've got a good look of all the different colors, I'm gonna set them up and display the numbers in case y'all might be interested in some of the swatches, because I feel like these are gonna turn out really stunning. I've got my little swatchy sticks, nail sticks on the right hand side, so that's what I will be using for these swatches. So normally I will go in with a base coat just so that the polish can last as long as possible, and I normally use Kira Sky for that. So I'm really excited to dive in. Once all the polish is on, we use the Kira Sky non-wipe top coat. Now we will be going in with a nice thin layer of the base coat. Normally I try to get all the way to the base, all the way up to the free edge, and even though this is just a little swatch, I'm just gonna take away any dust or any hair that I see as I'm polishing, just to make sure that we are staying tip top. So going through, doing a cute little base coat, gonna cure those for 30 seconds. I believe the cure time for the iridescence is 60, so we'll make sure to put that up on the screen when we are about to cure. One thing that you guys should keep in mind while using the Kira Sky base coat is that once it's done with the full cure, it does leave like an inhibition layer or a tacky layer. So you'll see me using an alcohol wipe, or you can use nail polish remover. I don't know why I forgot what it was called. You can use nail polish remover, and really I'm just wiping away that sticky tacky layer so that when we go in with the gel polish, there isn't any residue left over. So I'm just wiping them down, making sure that they are nice and dry so that when we go in with the polish, it is prepped and primed. So I'm really excited for the next step. So did you guys do anything last night for New Year's? Did you guys go out? Did you hang out with friends? Did you go out to the bars? Me, myself, I kept it really cute and cozy. Husband and I, we just kind of hung out and enjoyed each other's company. So really just watched the ball drop on TV, and it was really cute. And of course there were a ton of fireworks that was happening outside, but it was a very chill evening. We are diving into our very first color, and let me tell you, I was a little bit thrown off by the bristles on the brush. Now the polish is also a little thicker, I feel like, than its normal consistency. So I'm gonna cure this for 30 seconds and we're gonna go ahead and apply the second layer, and I'm hoping that as I open up the next couple of polishes that they aren't as thick, or maybe the bristles aren't as frayed. I'm not really sure what causes the bristles to fray. I'm not too sure at all. I'll have to look it up. Frayed bristles or not, 2337 is definitely showing up. It looks beautiful after the second coat. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Moving right along, we are on 2335, and let's go ahead and take a look at the bristles on this brush. So it's definitely more polished, looks more like a regular polish consistency. I'd still say a little bit on the thicker side, and the bristles are a little bit better. So let's go ahead and we're gonna slap on this first coat, and I'm already loving the way that it's looking. It's got hints of pink in there, and then majority of it is green. So I'm just making sure everything is even, and gonna go ahead and cure that bad boy. I would have to say this is my first time experiencing anything weird with bristles and nail polish, especially when it comes to Model ones. Now this is no hate, no shade. I just feel like this one box was maybe in the back for a little bit too long, but still made it to me, or maybe this is just the way that the consistency is. I don't know. Somebody who has this kit as well, like, let me know down in the comments if you have also experienced the bristles like this for the Iridescent set, because I've bought many Model ones in the past and I've never had an issue with the bristles, but it is still laying down this gel polish and it's still looking good. So still one of my top and most favorite brands. But here is 2335 in all its glory. Next up we have 2336, and this is giving kind of like a icy blue, purple, pink, and the bristles on this bad boy is boo-boo, but we will still use it to we're still gonna use it. We're gonna use it. So once I have gotten over my little giggling fit because of the bristles, literally got me so sidetracked, but we've got the first coat on there and it looks beautiful. It looks beautiful. I mean, as long as it looks good on the nail, like, I guess I'm not complaining. It's just, if anything, funny to me, but I'm just making sure that it looks even. I don't want it to look streaky, even though I know we're going in with the second coat. But I'm feeling like it's good enough to cure, and it is iridescent. It's giving that blue, it's giving that pink, and a little bit of that purple, and I like it. I like it. Maybe or maybe not. This is what I will use for my next set. I still am not sure. I'm hoping to get this up for you guys by New Year's Day, and if I have time to do my nails, you guys already know I will be posting those shorts. But I love it. It's beautiful. The color is stunning. Okay, little 2336 popping out, showing up. sparkle, sparkle. Alrighty, so we've got number 2338, and I'm happy with the consistency and I'm happy with the bristles. Okay, I'm happy. I feel like it's giving polish, it's giving regular, it's giving, I'm not sure what the other first couple of polishes were happening or doing, but this is more like it, I guess I would say. So really nice even first layer. Okay, and we're gonna cure it. The shine on these are really pretty. Slapping on that second coat, I feel like maybe I added a little bit too much polish, but I just really want to make sure that it looks even and that I've gotten all of the whole nail covered, right? So it looks really good. I'm happy. Not too streaky. But yeah, if there's any of you guys that have used this before or are brand new to it, let me know. Here she is. Boom, boom, bam, bam. This next color that we're gonna be trying, number 2334, I feel like would have been nice to have during the holidays, because I feel like this is like a nice, true, iridescent kind of white, and I feel like it would have played really well with like snow. But never mind that. It is the new year, and if I think about it, I could use it, but I'm really not sure what I'm gonna do with my nails. I feel like I hit a wall when it's time to create a new set and I sit there and I'm filing and I'm sitting there and I'm like, what am I gonna do with this next set? But I'm really excited for all these new polishes because it'll make it a little bit easier for me to come up with something new. So stay tuned. I'm sure I'm gonna be posting some shorts on my new set. And what is that set gonna look like? I don't know. Do I ever know? No. That's what you call right off the dome. Off the dome skis. We're just creating nail looks, and y'all seem to like it. Y'all seem to like whatever I come up with, so thank you for not being, judgy. So we are coming up on our very last color. This is number 2333, and I thought the last color was really nice and snow-like and white, but this one is giving more of that and then some. This is like pure white, a nice shimmer white. I feel like the one prior had like hints of like pink in there, but this one is like a nice true white iridescent, and it's nice. It's really pretty. I feel like it's really similar to the last one, but when we get all the swatches next to each other, we can determine whether they look different or what. But I can tell that the consistency of this polish is a little bit thicker, and I feel like with whites you can get lots of streaks, which is what you are trying to see me get out right now, not me cleaning up the edges. But let's see what it looks like with the second coat on there, because I feel like once you get the second coat, it kind of just covers up all of the things that you may have missed on the first go around. So it's looking good. I'm more curious to see what it looks like after it's been cured. But yeah, look, it looks great. It's beautiful. 2333. Yeah, looks good. What do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments. You already know. Okay, we are gonna go in with our Kiara Sky top coat. Now, this top coat is really nice. They have two kinds. One is a non-wipe, one is a wipe. And if you guys remember at the beginning of the video, when there is a tacky or inhibition layer, you have to make sure that you wipe it off. So with the non-wipe, you can just throw that top coat on, call it a day. It's also really nice to seal up stickers, really nice thin stickers, and for chrome as well. You throw top coat and then a chrome on top, and then another top coat is popping, absolutely popping. Maybe I'll do a little bit of chrome for my next nail set. Clearly I'm still thinking about it, but loving the way that these all turned out. So we've got all of our beautiful polishes right next to each other. There is definitely a difference between 2333 and 2334. You can see right next to each other, one is more tan, beige, and then the other one is kind of like a white and blue. But to bring this video to a close, we are putting away all of our polishes. I can't wait to start using them on myself and on my clients. I feel like this is a perfect set for Easter or spring. It's definitely stunning. I've got my little doodad with all of my swatches, and for some reason, adding these to my ring of swatches makes me feel so good. And for some reason, I just made up a goal that I want to cover this entire ring with a bunch of different types of nails, whether it's iridescent or cat eye or standard polish. I'm just really excited. For those of you who made it all the way to the end of the video, go ahead and drop a purple heart. That way I know who my real ones are. But let's go ahead and take a look at these swatches. They're so pretty. They're so pretty and I love them. All right, you guys, thank you so much, and back to me. These colors are absolutely stunning. I would have to say those brushes did caught me off guard, because I'm like, is this like a little bit older? Is it like expired? Like, why are my bristles looking crazy? But I still stick to Modelones because the way that these swatches turned out were absolutely stunning, and I cannot wait to use them for my clients. If you guys haven't already told me which color, tell me which color you like the best and which one you want to see me use for my next nail set. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, all that good stuff, and I will see you guys for another video soon. Bye.